Hey, I'm Brian Van, SportbikeTrackYou.com. Today we're going to break down the Alpinestars Atem V3 Leather Jacket. Okay, the Atem V3 Leather Jacket retails for $699.95. As of the time we're shooting this video, please understand we don't update videos for pricing changes, only when the product itself has been completely redesigned. Start off with sizing. I'm 5 feet 11 inches tall, 34-inch waist, about 202 pounds today. Getting a little Rona weight on. I'm wearing a size 56 Euro in the Atem V3. I've got this paired up with their Track V2 leather pants. I'm getting a good, comfortable fit, right? This is the size that I need in the arms, the shoulders, and the chest. There's a little additional here in the midsection, right? So kind of bear in mind there when you use the sizing chart, use the information I just provided you to help you choose the best size for yourself. At $699, obviously this is a premium leather jacket. When I look at it, right, take it apart, put it back together, wear it a bit, it feels like a high-end piece, as it should, given that retail price, okay? We have external shoulder sliders, elbow sliders. CE Level 1 armor comes installed in the elbow and forearm, as well as the shoulder. Additional protection is available and sold separately. There's CE Alpinestars chest protectors, as well as multiple options for the CE certified back protectors you'll find available in the Alpinestars armor section of our website. Highly recommend adding those to the jacket, right? If you're going to invest $699 in a leather coat, you should also invest that extra little bit into your own safety. They integrate right into the coat. We'll show you that in the second part of this video. Makes it super convenient to use, okay? Other features and bennies, 1.3 millimeter thick leather, right? This is premium stuff, and you can see we're using large panels here in the elbow and forearm. This is the real impact area. They've kind of moved that four-way stretch up and out of the way, so it should be pretty crash resilient. We have locking Ykk Zips. This jacket has that little safety strap right here at the wrist, right? That's a cool little feature. They use that for a little while in some of their jackets and some of their suits, right? If you're not into that, we talk in the second part of this video about how you can modify it. I've done that before with Max's missile suit to get that out of the way. It's very easy to do. Don't let that be a deterrent if you don't like it. Perforation, plenty of perf up front here. All this stretch fabric you see is going to flow air freely. And then you'll see in different spots on the jacket, you're going to have segmented perf like here, the back of the coat, to help with additional cooling. I would rate this as a well-ventilated leather jacket. This also has a nice spacer fabric that's used in the back of the coat that is going to help keep you cool in that area. It maintains a little pocket of air. It's pretty darn effective, right? We'll show you that a little closer in the second part of this video as well. You'll notice with this jacket we have a lot of stretch fabric, right? It's all up here up to the collarbone area, right here at the base of the neck and the arm, and then the large motion panels here in the back. And those are actually perforated leather panels, pretty cool. Stretch fabric is used here at the base of the neck. The concept there is really simple. It's about mobility, right? It's an athletic thing, riding the motorcycle, and you want your gear to move with you and not fight you. As you step up into this more premium tier in terms of the jackets, there's just simply more engineering geared towards mobility, and I can feel that when I'm wearing this coat right now for sure. If you like what you see so far, stay tuned for the second part. We're going to break this thing down, show you all the storage pockets, and give you a close look from the inside out. Okay, here we go, the Alpinestars Atem V3 Leather Jacket from the inside out. This jacket comes equipped with CE certified armor in the shoulders, elbows, and forearms. Okay, this is the same stuff you'll see in a lot of their race suits, right? So we got some good top shelf stuff. It also has pockets inside the coat to accept a CE certified back protector insert as well as chest protector inserts. Those are sold separate. You'll find those in the Alpinestars armor section of our website, and they are worthy upgrades to this package. They really take the protection to that next level. You probably already figured out based on price, this is for sure a premium level jacket. Premium materials are used, and we have a lot of features and benefits that simply make the riding experience really good in a product like this. This jacket comes with a ventilated race hump. We've got four-way stretch fabric here at the base of the neck, And you can see we have large leather stretch panels. This is all meant to create a lot of mobility for the rider. It's an athletic thing that you're doing. You're on the bike, you're moving around quite a bit, right? And whether you're street riding or using this as a two-piece suit on the track, right? This helps you ride more comfortably. The ventilated race hump is going to help exchange air from in and out of the suit and get some of that heat energy out of there, right? Can drive a little air in there if you're in a tuck. Perforation up here, perforation in the race hump. Alpinestars screen printed logo there to help adjust the volume at the waist. We've got leather with Velcro and a metal D-ring. And also, instead of having leather behind it, they've used that four-way stretch fabric. If you need to tighten it up in that area, that bunches up a lot less than the leather itself would. So it just makes more sense, it's less bulky. Focusing on the sleeve, you've got their elbow slider that's stitched on, motion panel in the elbow, perforation up here in the upper arm, reflective panel there. You've got the shoulder slider, like you'll see on a lot of the race suits. There's some ventilation built into that. That, of course, works in conjunction with that CE certified armor that we showed you earlier. Locking zipper. The end of the sleeve is terminated using that four-way stretch, a little less bulky than the leather. This jacket also includes that safety strap at the wrist. This is a feature that we've seen in some of the Alpinestars products. That's just there to help ensure the sleeve stays all the way down. Commenting on that feature a little bit further, okay, that's something that also you'll find in the Missile race suit. My son Max raced in the Missile last year, right? And we found that for us, we really didn't like it, okay? And this could be the case for other riders out there too. So what did we do to solve that? The way this is stitched on there, what I did is I simply just very carefully, right? Once I decided for sure we weren't using it, just took a razor blade and kind of trimmed it off, right? You can do that without having any negative effect on it. You do what you think is right for you there, but if that's something, if you get it and you're like, man, I don't know if I love that part, you can do away with that if you choose to. In the inside of the arm, we got that four-way stretch fabric. That's a really durable stretch fabric they're using there. It also flows air freely. You'll see that comes all the way up into the chest and the underarm area, all the way up here to the collarbone. That is all meant to, once again, enhance the mobility of the jacket. Hand warmer style storage pockets, both sides with a zipper. And you can see those are pretty big pockets. You'll be able to get your hand in there with most street gloves on without too much trouble. The little leather pole is going to help you do that. More four-way stretch is found up here in the base of the coat, right around the neck. Little TPR Velcro detail there to tidy everything up. Get inside the coat. This is a nice feature. You have this nice 3D spacer fabric. What this is going to do, it creates a pocket of air between your body and the shell of the jacket, and that works to keep the rider cooler and more comfortable. That's another reason why I really feel if you want to add back protection to this, you're best to do it with the insert. That way you preserve the functionality of this. If you wear a standard back protector that sits against your back, you lose the performance benefit this is going to add. To change the back protector and or the chest protector inserts, simply zip this pocket open. Your back protection pocket is here. You'll find both the chest protection pockets easily accessible on the right and left side of the jacket. Here is your full zip to pants connection. They give you both sides of the zipper just in case you need to have somebody make these compatible with a non-Alpinestars item. Waterproof storage pocket here on the left breast is a great place for a smartphone, or something that just cannot get wet. Additional storage will be found on both the right and the left side. Little Velcro closure. That's a large slip pocket. You can put quite a bit of stuff in there. All in all, what do I think of this coat? This is a premium leather. It's expensive, right? You're getting top quality materials. You're getting a lot of features, benefits, like going as far as to having a perforated motion panel on the back of the coat. That stuff costs a little bit more money during manufacturing. You see that in the price. If this is what you're looking for that premium high-end leather jacket, I think the Atem V3 should be on your short list. If you have any questions, leave those in the comments section of the video. I answer all that stuff myself, and I'm always here to help you choose the right gear for your next ride.